Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you what the best way is to level up in Heyday. So what is the best way to level up in Heyday? Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Heyday application, which of course I have done right here. And the next thing is, how can you get the Heyday app? Simple. You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Heyday and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing Heyday, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page, where all you need to do is to follow through step-by-step processes to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Heyday. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's tags, and that is, what is the best way to level up in Heyday? I'm going to walk you through some tips that will help us get into that. So how to level up fast in Heyday. As you play Heyday, I'm just going to have to extend. So now, as you play Heyday, you accumulate experience points and eventually level up. Now, to see how much work you have left to reach the next level, just look for your blue star in the top left corner of your screen. Now, clicking on it will display the progress bar and tell you how many more experience points you need before you reach the next level. So gaining XP in Heyday is easy when you know the tricks. That's how to level up. So from completing orders in the order board to fishing and upgrading your band, there are plenty of ways to make sure you level up quickly. You can also take advantage of the daily wheel and mystery boxes for additional XP. And once you get a hang of the game, you breeze through the levels in no time. So these are the tips that we can take. Number one, True Fan Pass. The Fan Pass is like a rewards program that lets you unlock exclusive items and bonuses in game. So all you have to do is complete certain tasks while playing, and you'll be rewarded with both a paid and free pass. It's a great way to get extra goodies while you enjoy the game. So climbing up the season pass can be a great way to level up quickly with extra XP reward for each tier that you reach. The next way is to use double XP truck event. So occasionally you may be able to take advantage of special boosts that can offer an extra layer of XP when completing deliveries by truck or boat. Now, these boosts can range from double XP to even triple XP, providing you with significant bonus for each successful order. So when special events are running, is a perfect time to rack up some major XP points. Maximize your experience level by completing as many orders as you can. Leveling up has never been easier. Next one is to sell produce. So selling your produce on Heyday is a great way to get rewarded with XP. The more time and resources it takes to grow your crops, the more XP you'll be rewarded when it is sold. So get growing and reap the reward. So the next is harvest crops. You need to harvest crops. Getting experience points, that's XP on Heyday can be done quickly and easily by planting and harvesting wheat. It's a great way to make coins, as you can sell it at a low price in your shop. Carrots are a valuable alternative tool. Though they don't mature as quickly, they can give you more coins per unit. So when playing Heyday, it's important to maximize your XP gains. To do this, plan your production wisely. Try to create products that take a while to make when you're away, and those that can be completed quickly when you're active. This way you will get the most out of your time on the game. Then complete truck orders. If you're looking to level up quickly in Heyday, completing truck orders is an awesome way to do it. Not only do you get coins, all right, and XP for completing them, but if you use an XP booster or take advantage of an event, it will help you level up faster. Then complete both orders. Completing both orders is a great way to not only level up on Heyday, but also to receive extra XP and rewards such as tickets. So taking on these missions can be a great way to progress and make progress in the game. Revive trees. Revive trees is also a good way to level up. Harvesting crops in Heyday and selling them in the shop is a great way to gain XP and coins. Complete town orders. Doing orders in your town is a great way to get a jump on leveling up in Heyday. All you need is to sell items to the people living in your town, and you'll be rewarded with XP, coins, and hearts. It's a great way to get ahead. Feed your pets. Taking care of your pets in Heyday is a great way to get XP. Just feed them regularly and blow the whistle after they're done eating to collect the points. Produce from your farm. Produce from your animals. Produce from your animals. So looking after your animals and collecting what they produce is a great way to earn XP in Heyday. All you need to do is to make sure they are fed, and you'll be rewarded with XP. The longer it takes to produce the goods, the higher the XP you will get. So these are all the tips that you can take to level up in Heyday. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.